Hey guys, welcome to the AMTA channel here, and today it's 8:40 in the night and I'm doing a video. We're going to be drawing an anime blob with a bow. These are just some test projects. I like the combination of these two. Okay, so you're gonna start out with a big kind of avocado shape. And then to draw the eyes, if you don't know how to draw anime eyes, my friend taught me, I think. I can't remember how I learned to draw them. So basically you're gonna just draw two, oh gosh. Ignore that bit. Okay, so you're gonna draw two arched eyebrow shapes. And then you're gonna draw a line down on each of them. Then a short line, not going to this line, and then going back up. Yeah, so basically a rectangle. And then you add two white, actually just two circles in each of the eyes. And you can add whatever, smile, frown, whatever you want to add. And then, okay, so now you have your face. You're going to draw the arms, a bit close to the mouth, but still kind of far away. So kind of like that. And then for the blob legs, that. I'm not even going to color today because it's 8:42. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so that's really weird. I just have to take like 4 tries on that. My phone blacked out that I'm recording on. So this is where we left off. I colored in the mouth off camera really quick. Okay, so for Zebo, if you're doing a girl, so you're going to draw a rectangle and then draw this. Oh, no, not that. And then you're gonna draw this shape and this. See that little top? Yeah, so you're gonna draw that. Then 2 lines outward, almost reaching the end of your paper. And then curved lines that connect to Z blob head. And then you can just add 2 lines in here for Zebo. Okay, so that's if you want to make it a girl. I just added a little tongue on mine. You might even add some hair if you want to. I like adding hairs to my blobs. Yeah, so there's Cindy Lou as a blob. I am now going to show you how to draw a cap. So pretend this is my blob. Okay. He's Sam. His name is Sam. Full name, Sam Michael. Okay, so if you draw a cap, if you want to draw a backwards cap, okay, fine. Get in another instruction video. I don't know how to do that. I'm going to show you how to draw a forwards cap. Okay, so you're going to draw that. Then you're going to draw that. Then you're going to draw, I already have the curved line, so yeah, so you have that. And then you can put whatever design you want. Okay, so yeah, here's my Cindy Lou blob that I didn't intentionally make to be Cindy Lou, who I just thought it looked like her. And you can fill in the eyes, color the hair. I'm not even gonna color it. It's 8:46 in the night. I'm not going to just do that. I'm just gonna go to bed right now. Yeah, so these are like attempts, except Sam Michael. I don't know why, that's his name. And then Cindy Lou Who was a blog that I didn't intentionally make to make Cindy Lou Who. So yeah, so there's your tutorial on that. Like, subscribe, share, and check out, and sent you in the video, and I didn't do that normally because it's 8:46 in the night and I want to go to sleep.